We just used our Infinite Brain AI operating system to automate over 90% of our business in just a couple of hours. And in today's video, my business partner Andrew is going to show you exactly how you can do the same and how he used AI and our operating system on the back end to create these automations on make.com, which will end up saving us hours every single day going forward. Now, all the links you need to get access to this Infinite Brain system will be down below in the description so that you can copy exactly what we just did and automate your business in the best way possible. Now, with that said, I'll hand it off to Andrew.
All right, so this is part 2 of our Automation with the Brain series. Let me give you a quick primer on where the brain is. So the brain is basically a folder that you use in between ChatGPT and Claude and the applications. So that could be like unedited, Make, but also Google Sheets or Gmail. Basically, instead of letting AI own your brain, which is what happens when you use Claude Chat, Claude Cowork, other tools like that, if you instead use a tool like Claude Code and put a brain in between, then you get to own the AI brain that you're building for yourself or for your organization and your team. So that's what we do for our clients. We're like the company brain builders for people. We connect their data and their tools to that brain so that then the AI can start to actually help run their business. And then there's a lot of things that the brain has, including agents, skills, workflows, knowledge bases, data, projects, memory, all the good stuff. But the problem is you don't want the brain to be like a brain in a vat. You know, I mean, if you have like super intelligence, but it can't do anything, that's pretty useless. Like you need your arms and your legs to be able to go off and do stuff, and that's connected to your brain. So that's kind of what we're talking about building today, is that yes, you have the brain, and we don't want the brain to be like actually walking around and doing stuff. We want it to be making decisions, but then you need a good tool to then actually help it make decision, take action and things like that. So you can either use unedited or Make. And just to show you, we now, instead of just talking about the brain, we've realized we need like an entire operating system around it. And so there's multiple layers of things that need to connect to the brain, but you don't want to like shove into the brain. It's almost like brain adjacent, whether that's like the harness or the models or different retrieval systems. But what we're talking about today is really the automations. And typically we recommend unedited, but we've had a lot of people that have requested Make. So I'm gonna actually show how you can set this up with Make as well. And basically this example that I'm gonna do, I took an hour-long interview where I explained everything that we did in our business. I had AI interview me to ask about different automation opportunities, how our processes should work in like an ideal world and also in the real world. And then it took that hour-long interview and then it converted that into all of these different automations. I'll show you an example here in a second, but this is absolutely insane to me. Using the Make API, it was able to set this whole thing up in just a few minutes. So if you want to do this yourself, you can download our free brain if you want, which already has a guide inside on Make and unedited and how to do all this. And the only thing you would need to do after that is in your Make, you could sign up for Make and you could start with a free plan, but if you want to do more stuff, you probably need to upgrade, but it's only like $9 a month or something like that. And the way that you get to where you have your API key is you can actually click here on your profile. On profile, you can click API access, and then you have your APIs here. And if you need a new one, you can just click add token. And I would recommend, if this is a brand new make.com, feel free just to say add all, and you can just, delete it later. If you want to make it, if you want to have your organization secure, you could just have this set up while you're building this all out. And then later on, you could get more complicated with it. But you can basically give this key to the brain. We actually have a secure way to do that. We use other tools like Google Secret Manager and other things like that the brain can help you set up and that can store the secrets and passwords for you securely. So all that's then in place. We had a Claude Code chat run for 42 minutes and it built out all of these automations for us in Make. So let me show you a few of those. So what we were able to do is create all these different pieces. So maybe Mads and I, we might see like an X, like Twitter bookmark or Twitter idea. And if we bookmark it, then it can immediately add that as a new idea for something we could talk about on the channel or in our school community or with one of our clients. So that can happen automatically. We have newsletter reply ideas so that we can actually, if somebody replies to our newsletter and they have like a different idea or something, we can actually analyze that and see if that's something we can implement, like an analysis on our thumbnails. So we do actually make the decision at the end of the day on our thumbnails, but it is useful to have something else like actually analyze and come up with those. And then also like just giving us like a morning brief that like looks at our competitors and looks at all the different topics that are really trending and different things like that. So instead of us having to do that research, we can have that just automatically given to us. And let me just open one of these up so you can see what I mean. So it's pretty cool that what it'll do is it'll actually use this HTTP search on YouTube to then go through it, iterates, so it does it a few times, like searching a few different topics, and then it'll review the videos that topic, the search comes up with. And then we actually have some things where it can actually analyze all of those and then text aggregate like all the different top YouTube videos and then send us in Telegram a message saying, hey, here's the top videos that we're seeing, here's the top trends. And basically from that, we can then analyze and start our day with knowing exactly what we need to watch and what we need to research on. So this is cool. This is only 7 steps. And as you chat with AI, you could actually say, hey, I want to add like 5 more steps, or I want to add like AI analysis like in between. And you could keep perfecting this as you needed. And that's a good example of something that I think is also useful. And we talked about this on our unedited video. That actually, I don't want to say that you can now use AI to completely automate your entire business. And even though it may feel like that, if AI can build all of these different automations, then shouldn't it be able to, right? But I think the thing is like building the automations is really just one step in like a 4-step process for this. Because the first step is really scoping, which is like understanding what are the tasks you're doing. And that was like, AI helped me with that because it did the interview of me. And hopefully I went deep enough in the interview to where it actually got all the context it needed, but there's a chance maybe it needed to be a longer interview, or there's more things that I forgot. So this is really shared between the human and the AI, but AI can definitely help a lot. And then building it, I think honestly building it now, Claude or one of the other AI tools, if you give it an API key, can just build all this out for you. But then once you get back to the testing phase, like AI may say, hey, this seems like it's working. And maybe there's some missing credentials or something like that. Like we were able to build 108 automations very quickly, but we didn't test all of them. And that's something that I think is a huge gap. Like I just want to be straight up. Probably when we actually would deploy this to a company, we would probably do like build all these out and then each week try to test and then integrate, like training humans and explaining to them how the process works and trying to make sure their integrations can be built around it. But this is still a great baseline to have 100 automations already in place. And then you just have, 5 to 10 you're adding each week. And in 3 months, your business would be unrecognizable. So I still think it's absolutely amazing. I just don't want to give a false promise that you can automate your entire business with this process. You can take one huge step, and AI plus you can take 2 other huge steps, but there's still the integration piece definitely has to be done by a human. So I know there's a lot of make.com like influencers out there that do great work and do lots of automations. I 100% recommend that they look at this system because I think it would help their clients a lot. And to be honest, I think that because there still is a lot of the scoping, testing, and integrating that is AI needs humans' help. I think that these consultants really do good work and are going to be needed as people are doing this. But to me, I still think it's really cool that we were able to build so many automations so quickly. I still think this is a game changer, even if it's not the complete system and that there still is some human in the loop here.
So there you have it. When you combine AI with an automation platform like make.com or n8n, and you also have the correct operating system on the back end with all of the necessary context about you and your business, which is what the Infinite Brain system basically allows, you can get incredible results. Now, if you want access to the Infinite Brain system, you can get it for free with instructions on how to set it up, etc. over 14 days by signing up to the email list down below. Or if you want the fully built brain and instant access essentially with courses and everything around it, you can join our school down below as well. Or if you want to work directly with us, all of the links to book calls, etc. will be down below in the description. With that said, make sure to like and subscribe if you found any value in this video and want to see more content just like it. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.